Hello, I am Ocean, member of the EFPO team, and this is a video to show you how, as a member of the EFPO team, you can properly use the deployment Kanban board on Jira. This semester we are working on the version 2 of Effort, and the product owner is Dr. Masoud Sajjadi. To begin with, when on the page, you can see that the board is separated between the different projects team. To avoid confusion, another column was created for pull request opened to indicate whether a pull request has been opened or not for an issue that is dev complete. So as soon as the dev team creates a pull request and moves the story to the pull request open column in their active sprint board, their work for that story is done. And the work of the EFPO team starts when a story appears in the pull request open column in their deployment board. Therefore, whenever you start testing a user story from the pull request open column, you then move it to the UAT column. If all the tests pass, see the other video from our playlist to know how to properly test. You can then move this story to the pre-production column. If the story passes the pre-production testing, it can then be moved to the verified column. Finally, if everything works perfectly, the product owner will move the story to the validated column. At the contrary, he will move it in the blocked column. This was Ocean from the EFPO team, and I showed you how, as a member of the EFPO team, you can properly use the deployment Kanban board located in Jira. Thank you for watching.